Hey, what's up guys, this is Pro Trader and you're watching live stream. Today is 15 December, New York session. We have high impact news, consumer price index, CPI key inflation gauge. I hope you guys are fine and doing great and you are watching my London session. We made profits from our yesterday trade on gold buy in New York session. When the PPI got released, we waited and we entered a buy. I hinted you guys to buy at around 2660, 2665, and we were in a buy and we took profits all the way up till 88, 89. And now we have closed our gold positions and we are awaiting for the data to make our next move. Please like the channel, subscribe it, and let's go. There's a bug, I cannot see how many people are watching the stream, but I hope you guys are here and ready. So let's start moving. So US bank earnings were better than expected actually. And in UK, future rise around 73% and chances of Bank of England rate cut in February is around 62%. So everything is going really chaotic in the UK. Apart from that, Wall Street was rising because major US banks reported results that basically exceeded expectations, as investors anticipated that key inflation data is believed to be, worse than expected. I mean, that's what they are reading and that's what they expected and are anticipating. Whereas the contracts on S&P 500 have increased to 0.4%. BlackRock, Wells Fargo, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, they all beat expectations for the fourth quarter. While the market is anticipating an inflation report, which is also keeping traders at bay before they jump into some huge trades. While the 10-year treasury have dropped roughly around 3 bps. So let's see what happens. I'm waiting for the news. We have 25 minutes left and I hope everything is according to our plan. As I mentioned earlier, I have closed my buys on gold, and if anybody have shorted around here is fine, but I'm not gonna do anything until I get the data, because I know I'm having that feeling that again, just like yesterday PPI, the same thing can happen. As soon as, if the data, of course, if we have lower print, then of course gold will move above, but surely there are lots of other things that are into consideration too. PPI last week, NFP, jolts, everything, unemployment. We have to factor in everything, not just one thing. And at the same time, Hamas and Israel, they have basically agreed to a ceasefire, and right now Hamas has given a green light to Gaza deal, which can attribute towards a drop in gold. Now the next move is that if the data is soft print, we have to see. But there is another question: will the gold do what it's supposed to do? If the data is higher or lower, or is gonna be good news is bad news and bad news is good news? We gonna wait and find that out. And let's move on to our Bitcoin analysis. Bitcoin has rejected this area around 9700. I hope this is the rejection. And on intraday, we are exactly sitting somewhere around this zone. Gold needs to break below this area. Hold on a second, let me move it. Okay, nearly around 96,400. If it breaks below this area, it will most likely drop down. I have never seen a pattern like this. Never. This was the drop. I don't know what it's doing over here. Is buying the buy side liquidity or God knows what. But waiting for the data. Just don't let if you have a buy running on gold, take your profits. Don't leave anything. It might be a dump and pump, or it might be a straight pump, or it might be a straight dump, or it might be nothing and dump, or nothing or pump. There are 5 scenarios. So just don't let your profits running in. Book your profits. I follow a lot of things. According to Elliott Wave, this thing of course should go up, but it can be surely like this. If the inflation print is lower, it can drop down and retest 2670, 2665, 2660, and then start pumping. If that happens, it's gonna give us an opportunity to buy around here. Always manage your risk. I have taken my profit around here. I'm just waiting for the news because CPI is too scary, because we don't have Biden is leaving now. Just 5 days left for the Donald Trump to come in, and Biden, and during Trump time you probably need to stay away from news trading during CPI, because it's just a bit of gamble. But you can take your odds if you have a trade running. Let's just suppose in this case, if you have a trade running from Tokyo session around 2669, you can take your odds. But I would like to to book my profits and just wait for the data, then make my decision. That's how you stay profitable and your win rate is high. Please like the stream, like the channel, subscribe the channel. This week's target is 400 subscriber, and if today I get around 10 likes, I will extend my stream from 2 hours to 5-6 hours, and we will stream the entire New York session. I will be providing signals in the, and it was gonna be a nice day. Hey, what's up? Hey Azad, what's up? Hey, miss you. What's good? Nothing. I just briefed out. Today is a scary day. Today is gonna be a bloody red. I think everything has the potential to drop. If not, we just gonna wait and wait. Waiting for the news. 20 minutes left. Everything is screaming. Everything is screaming. Something is going on in the market. I'm expecting dollar index to pump up. I haven't done dollar index analysis since last Friday. Last Friday I opened it up during a stream, and if you guys remember, it was around here. Remember, this was Friday, last Friday, and it NFP, and it went up, and gold went down, and then afterwards like this. We are all in the same scenario again. I'm having the same feeling. Dollar can pump up again, gold will drop again. I might take a short, but the reason I'm not taking a short is this, because of this. On monthly time frame, we have an inverse curve. I've been watching this curve since 2021, 2022, and this is really important. I never expected it to break this area around here, 100 and 106, and it is monthly is going up. And if you're somebody who likes to trade Euro USD, you should follow dollar index. Without dollar index, trading on USD pair is like a blind man trying to walk on the highway filled with cars. You're gonna get killed. Coming back to Bitcoin, coming back to gold. Gold is what gold does. This is by far the clearest. Last Friday, on NFP, it just dropped down over here and went straight back up. Same happened on yesterday PPI. I expect it to drop around this trend line and start pushing up, and the push is gonna be double, 3 times the size of the drop, and it will reach key area around 2720. So I'm just preparing myself mentally to enter a buy on 2668. Yes, I can open a sell, I can profit, but I have already took my profits on the buy. So I wanna sit back and relax and get in a nice buy trade. It also has the potential to just pump up. Guys, please like the video, subscribe the channel. Just get ready, we are entering the data. Come on guys, like the video, like the video. I said 10 likes and I'll stream for 4 5 hours, 2 hours non-stop. Then I'll be doing work, and in between I will be checking you guys. Be active on the chat, ask me questions. Today Today's target is at least 10 subscribers. At least 10 subscribers. I'll try to get. Let me write it down to somewhere. Nah, leave it. Anybody wants to join, he'll join. So let's see what's happening in the market. What are people talking about? We will read a CPI confirmed sell. He's selling. Selling. He's selling. Mm-hmm. Everybody's selling, man. People can get cooked today. People can, holy shit, people will get cooked. Well, I expect gold can push up to, if it pushes up, I'll be regretting closing my buy, taking my profit around here. But the nice thing will be that it's like I'm not greedy. I already booked my profits. This area around here is the danger zone. This is the ABC correction. And after that, if you are elite, if you are somebody who follow elite wave, surely knows what it happens. But anything can happen at this around this area. For that, for clear direction, I'm following this. But surely, if it breaks 26, 92, 95, 98, it will of course break above. That's where my fifth and sixth, seventh profit is. Take profit. If anybody is selling, we are buying easy at that. Yeah, brother, I know. I'm thinking of buying, but I have to see the volume. If I'm able to successfully pin out where the volume is sitting, I can take advantage of it. But for that, I need to see the volume. And it's really clear to me that I currently see the volume upward. I can feel it. I can see the matrix line because it's not because mostly retailers are selling. I normally just look at this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and it's right before. The thing is, here's the thing. As an experienced trader, I'm sharing this with you. Write it down somewhere, memorize this, and keep it back in somewhere in back of your head. If the market wants to pump, it goes the opposite way. If it wants to drop, it goes the opposite way. And right now, before we got the data, Market made two bearish candles. So over here, this is bothering me. So this is why I'm avoiding a sell. Same I would have said if the market was in a downtrend, and the exact opposite would have happened. But in this case, since the trend is bullish on 1 hour, and I think it wants to go up, this is why it dropped down. It does this, but I can be wrong. It can drop down, it can drop, and then it can pump. As I said, a dump and a pump or a straight pump. That's why I have buy orders sitting at 26.75, 74, even at 26.79, and somewhere around 26.80, just in case I miss it. But I think I would enter a buy over here because I'm having that feeling that dollar index is gonna drop and gold is gonna push. I'm having that feeling, but it's up to you guys. Hit the like button. I'm having this feeling it's gonna go up because as an experienced trader, I said look at this 1 hour, right? If it wants to go up, it will, before that it will drop. Why? Because everybody would expecting it to drop. Retail traders would enter a sell over here. Okay, and I have nothing against retail sales, just I'm sharing market, remember that. And all the stop loss is sitting here. It can drop down, grab the liquidity and go up, because never that easy, right? Trading is more of a psychology game than just actual trading. You think just you're gonna buy, sell, and pula is gonna be like profit. No, it's mind game. You need to see in between the lines. Also, I should update this. I haven't updated the candles, so we know where the price was yesterday. See this? If you are a price action trader, you exactly know what to do. Let me remove everything so you understand. A price action trader follows the previous day candle. If it's bullish, he opens the next trade during Tokyo session or London session, right? And wait. So price action X scalp. Now let's go back on 1 hour. God damn it, open up. Okay, there we are. So yeah, just waiting. But it has the potential to drop till 77 and pump up. This is what I'm saying. It can drop, dump and pump. But 5 minute is a scalp, right? I like big things, and even women like big things, if you know what I mean. Hit the like button. So I'm in for a big profit. So I'm gonna wait for the drop, then enter a buy, because a drop will be like 60-70 pip profit, but I want at least 150-200 pip profit. So this is why I'm gonna wait for a dump and buy. But at the same time, if it just instantly pumps 100 pips more than that, fuck, I don't want to regret it. But anyways, all eyes on dollar index. Dollar index is dropping now. If dollar index is dropping, gold should go up, right? I think that's exactly what's gonna happen. It's not gonna drop then. Yes. So what's your take? What you guys wanna do? Buy or sell? I wanna buy. But there is a chance it's gonna dump and pump for sure. Let's wait for the news. I'm gonna buy on the news. As soon as the data releases, it drops down, I'm gonna buy. Because this 50, 60, 70 pip is I don't want to grab that. From here I wanna grab at least 180, 200 pips. If it drops, even if it drops till 26.79, I'm gonna enter a buy. I'm gonna enter a buy on the pullback. So just let's wait for the data. Let's get ready. 8 minutes left, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe the channel. If in the next 5 minutes Gold is unable to break below 2682. I'm gonna enter a buy. If it does not break, in short, if it does not break 2680 till we get the data, I'm gonna buy. But we don't buy now. We will buy in the last minute when data is about to release. That will be a sniper entry. Like bullet fired, we hit the target and we run away in the last minute. And the condition is that gold has to break 2680. Just 1 minute till we have, what time we have? Till 1 minute. Like almost like 60 seconds before the CPI news, it has to break 2680. If it breaks it, then we will not enter a buy. Oh, sorry. If it breaks it, we will not enter a buy. But if we see rejection, we will enter a buy. और अगर कोई सुन रहा है तो मैं उसके आसान अल्फाजों के लिए कह रहा हूँ कि अगर 2680 ये एरिया ब्रेक कर दिया तो हम बाय की एंट्री एंटर नहीं लेंगे, लेकिन अगर आखिरी मिनट तक रेजिस्टेंस शो हुआ, रिजेक्शन शो हुआ 2680 के आसपास तो हम बाय ले लेंगे। क्यों? हम स्नाइपर एंट्री ले रहे हैं। ओके गाइस, सो बी केयरफुल, डोंट फॉल फॉर 30 40 50 पिप, डोंट fall for the scraps when you can have it all. Come on guys, like the button, come on. Why you guys don't like the video? Hamas has not given its response to Gaza proposal. Even Israel is weird as fuck, Netanyahu. Why fucking give a press conference? Poll the European Central Bank will cut the rate. Okay. 25 base rate cut, okay. I think 5 minutes left. Still no sign of a drop. I think it's a buy. Yup. 4 minutes left. Because there is a thing. We have New York high at 2686. I can feel the volume at the buy side. If the CPI print is lower, it will throw gold up and it will throw the stock market into the recovery phase. But if it's higher, if the print is high, then it can do the opposite and it will drop. But if it drops, it will drop to a certain level, then it will start pumping. In both cases, we will make profit. But the scenario for entering a buy is that it has to drop, it has to show rejection, okay, around 2680. But if it breaks 2680 before 60 seconds of CPI, we are not gonna enter a buy. We will just wait for the drop because we don't know how much of a drop we are getting, but surely we do know is that when the pullback happens, just exactly like on last Friday and yesterday PPI, we're gonna enter a pullback like this. and that pullback will be a guaranteed profit. But this CPI is a bit of a gamble, because good news is good news and bad news is also good news. That means if the print is lower, it has the potential to dump and pump. Even if it's higher, it will drop down and pump. The market sentiment we have to understand. Fed is ignoring inflation, and all of a sudden print cannot be lower. I mean, inflation is high, high as fuck, which means gold should drop, but it's not dropping, right? Again, mind fucked. Trading is mind fucking. Two minutes left. This is showing. Yep, I feel a drop and a pump. It is unable to break 2680, so I will just a small buy trade just in case. But I know it's gonna drop. Mm, 30 seconds left for the data. I will just wait for the drop and enter a pullback. That is more better. So my, yep. Let's wait. Hit the like button, guys. Come on. Let's wait for the data. Any moment now. 10 seconds, and here we have it. Holy shit. As expected, as expected. As I said, it can be a dump and a pump or a pump and a dump. And exactly what's happening now. Holy shit. The sellers got liquidated. Holy shit. Oh my god. The sellers got wrecked, man. Thank god I opened a small buy. But now is not the time to celebrate. Since this has happened, now wait for a pullback and enter a sell on gold. Just wait for it. The data is exactly the same. Exactly the same. But it is higher, and higher is bearish. Higher is bearish for gold, but instead of gold dropping, it just pumped up. So good news is bad news is good news, guys. Now you can enter a sell, but wait. Okay? Wait. Don't rush. Wait. Wait for it. Give it some time. Feel it, feel the volume, feel it. Soon as you feel, it will show you signs of rejection and enter a sell. But as for now, do nothing. Do nothing. See, this is why I say a retailer, you have always have to see where the retailers are sitting. This is why I said that I'm having this feeling that it's gonna pump. Fuck. Dime. This is really dangerous, man. Really fucking dangerous. This is some dangerous shit. That was close, man. Yep. Waiting for possible rejection. Gold is doing a pullback now. Exactly the thing I expect gold to do. I hope you guys entered a short at around 26.92. Now all we have to do is just sit back, relax, don't overtrade. Just carry this trade till the end of the New York session. It's gonna be a hellish profit. If you have a funded account, you will clear it. If you have daily target, you will make it. Be relaxed. Be relaxed, mentally relaxed. It wasn't that hard, was it? It's just the beginning. First 15 minutes, 5 minutes are like this, and is always like this, and will be till the last day of your life. Since you are trading, guys, hit the like button. Come on, such a nice stream. Such a nice stream. Okay, let's see what's happening on this 1 hourly. See, this pullback is gonna go all the way back now. Wait for the drop down. It will drop down till at least 875. Take your profit around there, and then then see for possible buy entry area. Whereas for now, all I can say is that price is really moving in a strange direction. Everything is gonna fall back, do a pullback. So wait for it. If you have any question, ask me. Okay, Azad lower. Yep, he lower, man. It's gonna drop down. Now it's gonna drop. Retailers were not wrong, but their entry method was wrong. They should always wait for the news and then enter. Even you guys, nobody's wrong, but their timing is wrong. The data was bearish, but good news is bad news is good news. So it pumped on the news. It's like sell the news. Oh, sorry, buy the news and sell the fact. Buy the news and sell the fact. So, news what? Now selling the fact. It's gonna drive. Now we're gonna get at least 150s, 200 pips drop on gold. And then I will buy from the. I already entered a short. I hope you guys did the exact same. And I see profits coming in. Hit the like button, guys. Come on. And let's roll. It's gonna drop down right in front of your eyes. Is dropping. Is dropping. Pro Wolf Trader making trading as easy as possible because life is already too stressed up. Let's make money, baby. Just now gonna wait. Just now is gonna wait. Hit the like button, guys. Come on, 10 likes and I'll stream for more than 2 hours. 10 likes. You want I stream? You want more money? You want tips? You hit the like button. Or you go home. Here we have it, guys. 5-minute bearish candle. Just wait for it. The more you wait, the more nice entry you can get. Oh, here is the drop. Here's the drop. Here's the drop. There comes the drop. There comes that big drop, man. You guys have plenty of time to short this area. Trust me. This is free money sitting over here. You sell when nobody wants to sell. You buy when nobody wants to buy. We have crude oil inventories after like 2 hours. 1 hour 45 minutes to be precise. Come on, drop already, man. Stop the suspense, damn it. At least I see this drop till 2660. Then we can buy back from there. So it's a easy swing, scalp, whatever you wanna call it. Easiest money, make the hardest way. Patience is the ingredient. If you like the content, please like the video. I want at least 10 likes. I deserve a 10 like today. Bitcoin is dropping too. Possibly seeing signs of rejection on Bitcoin. It pumped up, now seeing possible signs of rejection on Bitcoin. Yep. Possible signs of rejection popping up. Yes, it's happening. Going back to gold. Here's the drop, baby. Pro trader, baby. Let's go. Here is my entry. Here is my entry. Yeah, I waited. Stop loss, manage it, man. It's gonna drop. It's gonna take some time. Don't expect any huge moves. Expect it at least to drop till this area near the support area. Or if it does nothing, it keeps on holding this area. It has the potential to break above, but let's see. Only time will say. As for now, the first area that it needs to break is 2680. It will, don't worry. Dollar index will go up because dollar index is damn weak now. See this? If we see a monthly rejection on dollar index, surely it will send gold flying, but it doesn't happen like that. It takes time. The first 15 months are finished. Last 15 months, sorry, 15 days are finished. Second 15 days of the monthly candle have started. So whatever happens from this area, this is, if I'm talk about the long term perspective, the monthly candle I'm speaking of, then this is the candle. This is the area where you would likely need to sell. Where you can expect it, to sell, because this is the best area. If it drops from here, it will drop deep down, deep down. Okay, here we have drop on gold. Let's go, keep dropping. See, now it's taking time. This is okay. So Bitcoin is around 98,000. Close enough. Let's see what Bitcoin have for us. Hmm. Let's see what's happening over here. Okay. Okay. This is key area. It finally retraced back till this area. We can see a pullback or a continuation. We saw a recent break below this area and a possible pullback. Now we are awaiting if Bitcoin is gonna do the exact same thing or not. Coming back to gold. Gold is not moving above, it's not dropping, it's just doing nothing, just sitting over there. Everything is frozen. So let's just wait and see what happens. I expect everything to start doing a pullback, but I can be wrong too. But I can also be right at the same time. It should start retracing because there is lots of liquidity, lots of volume, and institutions like to do this. They make quick money and walk out. And yep, just survive this day with profits. That's all it. I'm asking you guys to do. Just survive today, whatever it takes. You either survive with loss or with profit. Just survive. If you made profit, don't overtrade. Okay, everything is falling down. Look at lower time frames 1 minute, 2 minute. Oh, sorry, 1 minute, 5 minute. Bitcoin is showing some sell momentum building up. Don't know, time will say. Gold, on the other hand, this area around 2693 and 2688 is acting as a strong support area. Even on Bitcoin, this area around 98 is a key zone area. Let's see what happens. We have waiting now, just waiting for the stock exchange to open. Stock exchange will open exactly after 38 minutes. Till then, just watch the show. And in the meantime, I do a little bit of trade hunt setups. If you guys have any question, ask me up. It's dropping. Okay, guys, uh, let's see what's happening. Oh, yeah, this is most likely a possible scenario, but just like I said, just survive this. Whatever it takes, survive this. अरे भाई. Yep, here we are now. It's the 29 minutes left for the stock market to open. Yep. I'm waiting for rejection. We have 27 minutes left for the what do you call stock exchange open. Bitcoin. Now, given that this has happened previously over here around this area, we saw a possible rejection when it was dropping. Now it's doing something similar over here, or I might be wrong. But as for now, I can't say for sure. But on gold, surely this is the pullback that I was talking about. And it almost completed our ABC pattern. Yep, it has completed. So I can say that not close enough, but it's enough. So I can say that this is the end of the ABC correction. Now we're gonna get a impulse wave. Hold on a second. Now we're gonna get a impulse wave, which of course will be a drop, the biggest drop. Yep, the kind of a drop that you guys were expecting for. Because this is inflation, baby. The kind of a drop that takes you to 26. This can be, I mean, not exactly the same as I, but it's gonna be somewhere around this huge. If everything works out, yep, it will be that huge. So holding on to the sell will be a task only for the strong heart, not for the weak heart. But I can be wrong too. It can go up, but I my analysis says no. It is this is the way. Because dollar index will start pumping now. When dollar index pumps, gold drops. He is dropping now. So I entered a short here too at around here this area. Somewhere 26.95. Let's wait. I'm just gonna wait. I'm just going to wait now. Hit the like button, guys. Come on, 10 likes and I'll stream for more than 2 hours. Otherwise, I'll close the stream after 2 hours and walk away. And then you are on your own after an hour. How much time is left? I have been streaming for 1 hour 10 minutes. That means 50 minutes more. If I don't get 10 likes before the end of 50 minutes, I will close the stream and walk away. Thank you, Azad, for updating. Just waiting for the stock exchange to open. And I'm not gonna open look that. I'm gonna open my this pattern. Yep, because this is the right way, so you guys have a sense of direction. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. We are on a sell, by the way, don't forget. Okay, let's go home with profits. Let's go home, baby. Let's go home. This is a big this is the drop that I'm talking about. 150 200 pips drop. Hit the like button, guys. I'm saying again, 6 more likes and I'll stream for 3-4 hours. If I don't get 10 likes, I will just, you know what? I'm gonna end the stream after 15 minutes. After not 15, I'm gonna be here till stock exchange open, then I'll be gone. Because you guys don't like the video, it's affecting our live stream. So if you like it, if you're actively chatting, it's gonna improve the algo. It's all about the algo. How you hit the algo. I mean, that's how it works, man. The Sylvia, here's the drop coming. Let's switch back to 5 minutes. Is dropping. Nothing new, just practice. Experience, education, and practice. Why is dropping? Because dollar index and gold correlation is back, baby. Give it some time. Fed Barkins is gonna give some speech during maritime event. So expect everything to drop. Crude oil, I don't know what the fuck it was. Give it some time, guys. Give it some time. Come on, guys. Like the video. Like the video. 8 people are watching, 4 likes, and despite repeating it several times, nobody even bothers. Alright, man. You know what? You know what? I'm leaving now. That's it. Wait a second, you guys still here? Still no like? Good. Good. Good, they're gone. Good. Yeah, I wanted them gone. Okay, guys, so the stock market is open. Apparently, S&P 500, Nasdaq, and US 30 open up with a gap, but now they're dropping. Let's see what's happening in with MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy. It seems like MicroStrategy opened up with a gap above, but the market is depleting. It is dropping. So let's see how long does it take either to go above or drop down. Surely we are at a key psychological area where everything seems like is falling apart, but it's not. But we have to wait further. On gold, I can surely say that this trade is gonna run now for the entire New York session. Maybe, by the way, what is tomorrow? To tomorrow there is no high impact news. Tomorrow we have a, what do you say, China, China CPI and PPI. Sorry. We tomorrow we have retail sales and unemployment and Chinese loan. So, and if you're somebody who likes to trade euro and GBP, we have CPI and GDP. And we have net gas storages. By the way, 28 minutes left for the crude oil inventories. And then on Friday, we have retail sales, unemployment, GDP of China, and retail sales of UK. You have to just sit and watch now. Now is the boring part. Now is the most boring part. Now is the boring part. You just sit back and watch everything. As I said that I want 10 likes, then I will stream for more than 2 hours, but since it's only 5 likes, I'm gonna end the stream and I'm gonna walk away now. After half an hour, crude oil inventories is coming, but I gave you guys a chance. So you didn't took it, right? They were just here for the signal. But what can I say? Just a piece of advice before I go. Take a screenshot of this and just please let that sell run. Don't think about short term. Don't think about taking those profits on these drops. Just let it run. Okay, just go do something. Watch a movie, play a game, go out on a walk. I don't care what you do. Just stay away while you have this sell short running. Okay, because after some few hours you're gonna be thanking me. Okay. Till then, take care of yourself. This is Pro Wolf Trader signing off from New York session. I see you guys tomorrow in London session. Till then, this is Pro Wolf Trader signing off. Peace out.